You have any pet peeves? Mine is glossy tires. I don't care if my car is clean, dirty, gotta have glossy tires. And if you have a nice car, it's got some dull, dry looking gray tires. The only bad part about it is you gotta apply it all the time. It doesn't last that long, and then you get a rain or some kind of inclement weather and it's gone. You gotta keep buying it, putting it on. So today, we're gonna put on a product that lasts a year. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. Today we've got the product. It's a year-long tire shine. It's a two-step process if you want to go my way. They offer different products and different kind of lusters. You can just do a gloss, you can do a satin, whatever you choose. And then they also offer a black product, which puts a black, kind of a temporary coating into your tire that makes it super, super black. And then you put the gloss or satin or whatever you want over top of it. So let me show you what I got and where you can get it. Here you go, if you want my exact product. This is the black I'll be putting on to make the tires black as they can be. And I'm gonna follow mine up with the gloss. Real quick, you can get this, is Google it, find a bunch of places, carry it. And they've got a whole line of products for all different kinds of stuff, or just Amazon it. It's people on Amazon that are carrying it, and honestly, it's probably the cheapest place you can get it. Not just tires, you can use it for trim, vinyl, plastic, rubber, tonneau covers, motorcycles, boats, patio furnitures, RVs, golf carts, and bed liners. Spa covers. This isn't just for looks, this also is a UV blocker, and it will keep your tires nice and healthy, keep them from cracking, dry rotting, all that kind of good stuff. One small downside is that it is expensive. So it looks like the size I have. One was $42, the other one was $45. Puts you at about $90 for this product. I know it's a lot, but for me it's worth it. And they do have a smaller bottles for $25 a piece. Check that out. Every week I'm putting a $5 can on there, a $10 can of Ultimate, whatever. I like to use McGuire's a lot, the spray, nice and easy, but it doesn't last long. Let me please recommend that you get one more product to make this work the best that it can. So I suggest you take the right precaution, and you also get you some of this. It is 303 Tire and Rubber Cleaner. Spray it on, it'll go on purple. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, scrub it with a scrub brush. You get all that old tire dressing, any kind of oils, contaminants, and just clean the rubber and lay a perfect base. I'm gonna repeat this process twice on mine just to get them really clean. And I use a lot of tire shine. Here's a little hack to speed up your dry time. You get all kinds of sponges and stuff with this, gloves. All you gotta do is put one coat on, wait 5 minutes, come back and do a second coat. So by the time you come around and do all of them, you're ready to go again. And then you do the same thing with this. Make sure you got a damp rag in case you get anything on your wheel or your vehicle or whatever. Now we can go at it. Get you a shot at just the black so far. Just the black, it's on, it's pretty wet, it's drying. But already it's a big change. I'm just expecting a huge pop once that gloss goes on there. Just the black, it looks wet, but it's dry. It's been about 10 minutes. Time for the gloss. There we go, process complete. Check this out. Now it's dried and cured all day, and look at this. It is clean and dry, but it looks so wet. It's one of the best parts about it. How many times have you leaned up against a wet tire and ruined your shorts, your pants, or whatever? Only question is now, will it last as long as it says? So I will be back with a review video for you guys, maybe 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever. If you wanted to know, there's what I used. That's 5 35-inch tires. Those are freaking huge tires. And I did 3 coats with this, 2 coats with that. Standard car, you won't need hardly anything. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Remember to check my channel for more videos. There's over 100 on there. All kinds of fun stuff to do. Just get yourself in a lot of trouble. Remember, make life a party and don't forget to invite yourself. That's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.